Niliondoka kwenda safari, nilimwacha wangu pekee. Nilipofika kumbe safari, chukua kalamu na kusema nimemwacha wangu peke yake. Sikujua siku ya kurudi, lakini mpenzi usitie shaka, ni lazima nitarudi.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Savik TV, your home of infotainment. So guys, how do you mourn a hero? Today is the fourth day without Raila Odinga with us. And Kenya is not the same again. We lost Raila on 15th of October, that is on Wednesday. Today is Saturday, the 18th. So it's 4 days without Raila on this earth. And Kenya is shaking. Things have stopped. People are confused. Which way Kenya? How is ODM gonna be? Who is gonna lead the Luos? Who is gonna lead where? Who is gonna lead the opposition? Who is gonna stand for Kenyans? So how do we really mourn Raila? Should we just stand up, come with twigs like this and just say, Joey, Joey, Joey? Or is there more that we really need to do? Which is the best way to mourn Raila? We all saw how people flocked the airport on Thursday when the body was repatriated from India. We all saw how people filled Kasarani Stadium during the public viewing, which led even to a loss of lives of about 4 people after there was commotion and gunshots in the air and tear gas and all that. And then we all saw what happened at Nyayo Stadium yesterday, that is on Friday, during the public viewing. You've seen how Kisumu has happened today during the public viewing. People are so many, balls are all over, people are moving around with leaves and everything, twigs and all that. They're all there to mourn Baba. So which is the best way to mourn Baba?
We need peace in our nation.
Rest in peace, Baba Raila Odinga. We'll miss you. Kenya will miss you. We loved you. But I guess we never showed you true love. And the true love is now coming out when you are gone, when you cannot even see the true love. You've seen all that the government is offering in this, in this burial. It's called, in this funeral, you've seen a lot of things that the government is really offering, all these accolades, all these, a lot that wasn't done to Baba when he was alive. All that respect that is now being accorded to him when he's dead, when he cannot see. And then you see all these people that are mad about, the loss of Raila, and then you wonder, if these people actually loved Baba this much, why were they not voting for him? Or were they voting for him and maybe used to win the elections, but they were getting rigged? Anyway, this video is not about elections. It's not about all these things. I'm just mourning, and I was wondering which is the best way to mourn Baba. So from us here at Savik TV, we'll just say, rest in peace, Baba. Tomorrow, as he's laid to rest at his home, at his father's home at Kango Kajaramogi. Rest in peace, Baba. Go well, sleep well. Tukutane mbele za haki when our time comes as well. So rest in peace, Baba. Go well. Peace, respect, maximum respect, Baba.